This is the mixing section, and this is a preheating and a cooker. It's a double jacket cooker, you can see. And over here is the depositing. This is the other side, as you can see, from the mixer to the storage preheating to the cooker. This is the cooker, and here it is transferred automatically to the depositing. This is the depositing section, and then from here we go on to the cooling section. This is the other side of the cooling section, or the cooling tunnel, and here the hard-boiled candy is basically cooled until it ejects out of the conveyor. Unfortunately, we've taken out the belt for now for maintenance, and from here it goes into this distributor system which takes it to the packing machines. As you can see, we have 4 twist packing machines on one side, and we have 4 twist packing machines, pillow packing machines on the other side. So this is our packaging section, which is cooled by air conditioning. Once the product exits the packing section, it is then loaded to these bucket elevators, which then load it to this automatic weighing machine, and then it's packed into the vertical packaging machine, upon where the sweets are packed into packets once they are wrapped by the pillow and twist packaging machines. As you can see, we have 3 vertical packaging machine systems. Basically, because of raw material challenges, the line is quite new. It was bought in 2012 and installed in 2014, and it hasn't been used much. Most of the equipment is new or barely used, and with a little preventive maintenance, I think it's still worthy for use. It still has a long useful life. Its rated capacity is 1,200 per kgs per hour, so its capacity is quite big. As you can see, the double cooker, they call it the microfilm cooker, the depositor here, and it's all PLC touchscreen controlled. That's the new technology.